All right, y'all, this is how to use a little tool that I made. For the open source people, open up this, launch the script through UI, and for everybody else, go to application and double click that. Excuse me. All right, so this thing should open, and if you guys do not have Unity, click this Unity tab, and it'll open up Unity website to download Unity Hub. Download Unity Hub, and then download this version. This is the version that TCG uses. All right, and then so what this will do, this will make a Unity Hub app. Just run through the installation, next, you know, the normal bullshit. All right, and now what you want to do, open up the Unity Hub, go to projects, and just name it anything and just save it. I save it to desktop, but you can save it anywhere. All right, and then make sure it says 3D render pipeline. I don't know if it needs that, but I know that this works. All right, so press create project. It's gonna take like fucking 5 minutes maybe, who knows. And what you're gonna do next is it's gonna open up the folder. Once it is open, it should look something like this. It may have like, just make sure you're on this project folder, and you probably won't see this, but you will see all of this. Go to the asset tab, right click, create, and you want to create a folder, and you want to name it editor. And inside the editor, you want to name a folder my asset bundles. Okay. And then the other thing that I gave you guys, open source or not, you guys will have this other folder. Put it in the editor folder. Okay, put it right there. And that's it. Simple as that. All right, now that you guys have set up the Unity folder, now you guys want to configure it to the UI. Again, you guys only have to do this part one time. All right, so first thing you guys want to do is, for this one, you want to go to the project that you just made. So project 1, assets, and you want to make sure it goes to the my asset bundle folder. All right, that's the most important thing. Select that folder. All right, and then for the Unity editor exe, this is how it actually compiles. Find it. Most people, it's going to be right here in program files under the C drive, and you want to go to Unity, and it may be a little bit down in there, but just follow this pattern, and it's going to be right there. All right, so boom, we're ready to start finding cards. So now, this is the fun part. Now, we're going to find what type of cards we want. So, I have it so these 4 cards, scrapers, they work in the background. This trading card database, it takes up your whole screen, and you really can't do nothing. I'll do more information on that at the end. So for this, we're just going to open up the site, and I don't know, let's see here. We'll go to Grand Archive, and we want Miracle Heart. We want whatever this is. And so we will paste the URL into there, and just name it some stuff. I forgot we do need to make a folder for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this the same thing. All right, so all of the images are going to be saved there. And we will see what type of stuff that we can cook up with this. So, I mean, all of this stuff is self-explanatory, but for the tutorial, I might as well show you guys how to do it, you know? And then what is this, Grand Archive? We need Grand Archive hardback. So that's what this is. Okay. Honestly, for this case, we could care less. All right, now we're gonna name it Brain Rot so I can actually test it. Because actually, you need an actual store, or this isn't gonna work. And then this download card front only, this is only for trading card database. And now you just hit download. So as you see, all of the cards have downloaded. Some of the cards, they have like these prefixes, but don't worry, we can always tell ChatGPT or Claude or whatever AI to fix this, or we can just tell them to remove it. It's just simple as that. All right, so I'll show you guys how to do that in a little bit. What you guys want to do is, yeah, now just press generate. We've already done everything else, just not realized. All right, so now what this is going to do is that it's going to resize, it's going to scan the cards, it's going to be like, okay, what should everything get? And then it's just going to bundle everything. So if we want to watch it live, we can do is that we can go over here to my projects, go to assets, my asset bundles, and it makes a bunch of like nonsense bullshit. but we're looking for this one right here, and we're going to be looking for the same name, but it's going to say file, and it's going to have way more gigabytes or way more fucking sizes than yeah. So this is the one that we're looking for, and the reason why it says 402 and there's different numbers for them is only because of just in case of like 2 or 3 people they make the same Pokemon thing. You know, it's then there's going to be some corruption or some incompatibility because there's more than one of that same. But with there's a random number generator that's added on that it has no effect in game, but that's why you see it. So, oh yeah, I forgot to say, make sure that this is going to be in a prefab loader. Just make sure it's in a prefab loader folder. As simple as that. Oh, hold on, let me, so I know where it is. Like I said, you want to get this big file, and you want to get this JSON source file, and it should work. All right. I really want to just. It's supposed to follow the same capitalization, so if it doesn't, just correct that. I said it's not perfect, but it fucking kicks ass though. Let me tell you, way better than having to do this shit manually. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the pack completion process. It's done just like that. Wow, everything's in the back. I'm gonna show you guys my store. My store is so dope, bro. I find that I actually like test the pack and it just doesn't work. All right, come on. So theoretically, if we did it right, this picture right here should be in brain rot. Wait, did I put brain rot? Oh, I know what happened. I know what happened. The first fuck up right here is this was actually supposed to be a capital B. And all right, so next thing you want to do is you want to head over to Claude or AI or whatever, upload the JSON that has the problem with the name. So in this case, I don't know if it'll allow me to show it, but it had like the no num or whatever. Oh yeah, see, it had like that, right? So I told him remove it, and sometimes you got to talk to him a little bit, rewrite the JSON, blah blah blah. Now check it out. It has the no num because this is the file name. You need to make sure that this stays the same. All right, but the actual display name that could be whatever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy that and you're gonna paste it into the JSON, and you're gonna relaunch the game, and we should see the actual there. All right, it's launching. All right, so this time for sure it'll have that picture in brain rot. There's no reason why. So we're looking for this picture in brain rot, whatever. All right, this time it's going to be in brain rot 1000%. See, look, boom, there it is. So I just showed you guys how to diagnose problems in y'all's pack. Of course, it's not going to be like the best, but you know. I mean, and for value, you guys can mess with it. But honestly, this isn't that bad of a price. I mean, it's not dog shit, but like, I mean, it's printing, you know. All right, so this is how to download from Trading Card Database. Basically, what you want to do is you want to open up the site and you want to find a, you know, just whatever you want to download. And the reason why I have this at the end is because Trading Card Database blocks all types of downloads. So you have to actually download this page. Make sure, yeah, what you want to do is you want to right click, save page as, and then make sure it says HTML only, and just say press save. All right, that's all you want to do, and add it to here, add it to there, and hit download. Oh, and what you want to do is, since this one is a little different, what you want to do is as soon as you hit this button, you want to don't do anything yet. Just because I know you're ready to press OK. As soon as you hit this button, you want to press this. You want to hit the link bar, and it'll start putting in the images. It'll start naming them. It'll start downloading them. It'll start whatever. But you cannot do anything. If you click off this tab, if you click into Discord, you're gonna start fucking posting links. You're gonna start all of this shit that this stuff is writing. You're gonna start writing on your keyboard, because this is how this works. Just this specific script. And then in order to stop it, just go like this. All right. I only recommend doing this overnight or while you're away from your computer for this specific script. All the other ones you can play Fortnite, you can play TCG, you can do all this other stuff. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot. So whenever you do the top left corner trick to stop the downloads, it'll give you this error. Don't worry about it. because that's normal. That because it's saying, hey, we stopped the scripts, but that's what we wanted. So, and in order for this thing to work, it makes a bunch of files that it reads, and so like I don't know how to describe it, but clear logs every single time that you download from trading card database. And yeah, that's it. Oh, self-explanatory.